I will tag this video the first time I went to Catholic Church in the UK. Good evening everyone and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as a nurse with a difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my students. Today I'm going to be talking about the first encounter or my first experience in the Catholic Church in the UK and how it looks like. Yes, but before I go into today's experience, if you're new on my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, I am saying thank you. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing my experience the first day I entered the Catholic Church in the UK. So, it's not a general experience, so this is just my personal experience and I decided to share it with everybody. So, I'm not saying it's general, it's just my own experience. So, I decided to go to church. So, I asked on the group chat, oh, what's the name of the Catholic Church close to me? So, they gave me different names, so I picked one. So I got dressed on a Sunday morning. The service was 8 a.m. I got dressed on the Sunday morning on my Google map. I started the journey. So like a good Google Map student, I followed the Google map. So I was going. As I got there, the Google map said, you have gotten to your destination. I was like, I looked around. I'm not hearing you know what, if you are in Nigeria and they tell you here is church, you don't even need Google map. Just the music alone from afar, you will know that the church is not far, that you're already getting close. See me, Google is telling me that I'm in the church and I'm looking around, I'm not even hearing noise, everywhere is quiet. I was like, am I sure I am in the right direction? So I looked, I turned, then I saw the signboard opposite me. I was like, but this place is quiet now. Are you sure mass have started? Are you sure this is even a church? So I crossed, I moved to the other side. So this is me. I'm just telling you what happened that day exactly. So when I got there, where the signboard is, I looked. All I was seeing is Berry Grand. I was like, what's all this now? I look again, Berry Grand. So I see, but the signboard is saying there's a Catholic church there, and there's no music at the background, and all I'm seeing is Berry Grand. I said, okay, let me enter. I put one leg. Put second leg. Immediately I ran out. Hey, fear gripped me. I was like, hey, are you sure? Like, it sounded funny now, but on that day it wasn't funny. I ran out. I was like, are you sure this is Berry Grand? Then the next thing that came to my head was, old Roger is dead and gone to his grave. Who? Ha, gone to his grave. They planted a mango tree over his head. Who? Ha, over his head. You know that story that came to my head. I was like, should I enter? Then I was from afar, outside. After I ran outside, I was not looking. I saw hand sanitizer in front. I was not like, it's not good that we use that hand sanitizer now. I saw hand sanitizers. Yeah, I saw hand sanitizer in front. I was like, okay, Messi gather mind. And I started, nothing's going to happen. So I entered again. I walked half of it before I got to the entrance. I came back again. My mind has not catch it yet. My mind have not carried it. So I had to just sum up courage. I just went closer. I wasn't even hearing any music at the background. That's just it. If I was hearing these drums, I was hearing music, at least that would have calmed my tension down, make me go straight. I was not hearing anything in the background. So everybody was looking quiet. So I said, let me just gather mind. So I gathered my mind and I entered. Close to the door, I was not hearing the words, all those, I think I was hearing some little sound at the background. So I used the sanitizer with the fear that I hope this is not ghost sanitizer. Please don't blame me. So I opened the door. So immediately I opened the door, all my tension calmed down. My nerves calmed down a little. So I saw that mass was already ongoing. And I was like, hey, back home, if this is a church and mass is going, the next street we know that this is a church. You understand? But here everywhere is just quiet, solemn. So I actually entered. I followed up with the masses, but to my greatest surprise, there was no music. It was just going straight, like very, very straightforward mass. So I was really wondering, is this how Oyibo mass looks like? is kind of different from our own back in Nigeria, because everywhere was just, there was no music at all. But I know, at least I used to watch American colleagues online and there was music, so I was really shocked. Why is there no music? So I just followed suit with the normal things I could follow, the normal words that I could follow, which were very, very familiar to our normal Catholic words and responses back home. So after the mass, I think that we were just like 6, 7, 8. We're not up to 10 people in the mass for that 8 a.m. mass. So after the mass, I came out. The Reverend Father, they are always waiting outside. The Reverend Fathers were outside waiting for the parishioners to come. So they always greet you before you go home. So they were greeting, so I waited for my turn. So I greeted. They were very friendly, seriously. They were very friendly, so I greeted. I was like, Father. Like, they talked. Then it was not like, oh, this is just like the normal mass. There's also a parish mass. That's where they sing. At least that my mind has calmed down. Just like the parish mass is by 10 o'clock. During that mass, they sing and they do their normal, that normal mass schedule. Yes, I was familiar with. So he now told us that this one is just like a simple mass, not the free parish mass. So I was like, all right, Father, no problem. So I told him, I want to do confession. He said I should book confession online. I should book it online. It's like you will book the confession online, then on the D-Day they'll tell you when to come for it, and you come, hey, my man, book confession online. Okay, so you go to the church website, you book confession online. These are not what I am familiar with. So, but I said, okay, when I go to, I'll check the website and book the confession online. So that was just my experience. I'm just sharing it too. But if you know you have had any experience like going to the church, how different, you can drop on the comment section. Let me know if mine was just totally strange or mine was just totally abnormal to me or something. So, but the other Sunday I came for the 10 a.m. mass, it was looking quite familiar, though it can't be exactly like that same mass we have back in Nigeria. It was like just normal mass. There was music, but not that music where we can dance. Yeah, 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 yeah. There was nothing like that. It was just hymns. It was just solemn. It was just this little mass. So within less than 2 hours, you're done. You're back home. So that was the kind of mass I'm experiencing here as a Catholic in the UK. But it's quite really different from the one I had back at home, because we know our Nigerian styles of worship. They're kind of different, but Catholic remain Catholic. The readings remain same. The gospel, the first reading, second reading, the responsorial psalm remains same both home and abroad. But just that the style of dancing, the style of jubilating was just quite different to me. So I decided to share it with my friends. So in case you just came in and you noticed that it might be you are not attending the parish mass, you are just attending the normal mass, not the parish mass where they normally sing. But the fact is, as time goes on, you tend to get used to their system. You tend to like it. You tend to love it as time goes on. But at the very beginning, it's going to look strange. But definitely, as time goes on, you're going to fall in love with it, because it's solemn. You tend to get what you want, and you tend to go home with what you want. Thank you very much. I hope this is my experience. It's interesting, and I hope you like it. But if you have some fun, interesting, you have some wonderful, interesting experience you would like to share, please drop on my comment section. Thank you very much for staying here. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is me saying thank you. I owe you big time. And if you are a nursing student, you've not registered for our classes on Telegram, all you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen so you can have access to them all. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye. See you in our next video.